Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USDjpy, dollar Japanese yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started and wish you all a very happy new year. Hopefully you'll be rocking the year, making money and following proper discipline and not gambling with your hard-earned money. So this is the Forex chart of USDjpy. As we all know, all the JPY pairs were extremely bullish this week, and in my other videos I have already explained the reason behind it, and the reason is JXY, Japanese Yen Currency Index. Japanese yen index broke a very strong support on the weekly chart. As a result, there was a sell-off on JPY pairs, not JPY, not pairs. There was a sell-off on Japanese yen. As a result, USD JPY, GBP JPY, Euro JPY, all these JPY pairs were very bullish. It closed at 86.85 level, and we have a support at 86.60. So if the selling continues, then yes, the uptrend on JPY pairs will continue, but keep in mind that yes, we have a support at 86.60 on JXY. So as a result, the uptrend on JPY pairs may stop at 86.60 level. Okay, so keep your eyes on Japanese yen index. Now let's talk about the USD JPY chart. First of all, the market is bullish, no need to say. So trend of the market is very bullish right now. And as we all know, in a market condition like this, it is wise to look for buying opportunities only, because market does not have many rules. Market only says that follow the trend. Trend is your friend. So considering the trend of the market, it would be wise for us to look for buying opportunities only. And to be honest, right now I can see that market is standing at a support zone here. So previously also 115 level, or actually 140, one wait, let me write down. 115.002, 114.90. Okay, this level has been acting as a minor support, not a very strong support for the market, and right now market is just standing at the support. In addition, we also have the trend line coming from the bottom providing support to the market. So as a result, okay, we have a double support. We have a double support at this particular level. So there is a possibility of market going up from here. So if you have an ongoing buy position or long position on USDjpy, then I'll request you to continue, or I'll suggest you to continue with the long position. No need to exit. Okay. And if you're looking for fresh entry, then my dear friend, let the market open. If you find market in the same position, market is bullish, JXY going down, then yes, you can take a fresh entry here as well. Okay, just make sure that market is in your direction. Okay, confirmation is extremely important after the market opening. And on the other hand, if this level fails to provide the required support to the market, or in case you see some selling on the USD JPY chart, then 114.70 to 114.60, this level will be the next support for the market. Yes, in case this level, this minor level fails to provide support to the market, then 114.70 to 114.60 will be the next support for the market, and there's a good possibility of market bouncing from this level. So keep in mind, the present level is a good one, minor one, but yes, double support makes it a good one. Okay, and 114.70 to 114.60 is also a good level on the market. Okay, and on the other hand, we have 115.50 to 115.40. This is our resistance for the market. You can see when previously, yes, previously when market was bullish in the market failed to cross this level. So therefore, this level will be acting as resistance now also. Okay, this is not a very minor resistance. This is a good resistance, and moreover, JXY, Japanese yen, is also um, about to reach the support. Okay, JXY is also about to reach the support, and once JXY will be at the support and USDjpy will be at the resistance, so then JXY will bounce and USDjpy will reverse. Okay, listen to me carefully. When JXY will be at the support and USDjpy will be at the resistance, this will be a very sweet trade, and there is a good possibility of market reversing from this level. Why? After all, this is a resistance, strong resistance, plus JXY will be taking support and bouncing. Okay, and that too from the weekly chart. So therefore this combo is also a good one. Let's see where the market goes, how the market moves in the coming days. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of USDjpy right now. So be careful and follow proper risk management. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday. Hopefully I like the video. Bye bye.